Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to the question. How can we make verb to be in the question? So as you know, in the question, the verb to be should come first. So, am I, are you, etc. Let's see the answers. So verb to be, am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. So this is verb to be in question. Am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. Can we have in the question I am? Never. Can we have in the question you are? Never. Can we have in the question he is? Never. She is? Never. It is? Never. We are? Never. You are? Never. They are? Never. Why? Because it's positive form. So in the question form, the verb must come first. So am, are, is first. Then the subject pronouns are, you, he, she, it, we, you, they second. I hope you understand this point.